On today's Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be covering week 3 of 4 on hazard communication and chemical safety. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, Warehouse Safety Tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. For week 3 of 4 on chemical safety and hazard communication, we're going to be talking about GHS labels and pictograms. So what we're going to do is give you a very high level version of this, and hopefully these 5 tips are going to help you stay safe at your facility. So the very first thing that we want to talk to you about is knowing your pictograms. Make sure that you know all the different hazards that are involved within the pictograms and follow them absolutely to the T. The next thing is going to be going through and always checking the required elements of the pictograms to make sure that they're all there and that you are following them again to the T. Number 3, you want to label all secondary containers. So if you are moving any chemicals from one container to another, unless you are the person that is going to be immediately using it, you must label it. And if there's anything left, you have to make sure that the secondary container has got all the correct information on it so that nobody is going to potentially use it incorrectly. Number 4, you want to make sure that you don't ignore any sort of worn or damaged labels. If there is a worn or a damaged label, make sure that you take that particular container out of rotation until a suitable replacement has been affixed to it. And last but certainly not least, you want to make sure that you stay alert and follow all the above things that I just mentioned. This is not by any means the end all be all of going through and making sure that you're safe. But if you are following the GHS labels and pictograms correctly, you're at least going to know what it is that you're handling and be aware of all of the hazards that are associated with that particular chemical or whatever it is that you're using. So again, we thank you so much for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we talk to you next time, have a great day, be safe, and here is a word from one of our sponsors.
It's scientifically unexplainable. It's virtually indestructible. And it's taking over the entire planet. But in a really good way. It's Mighty Line floor tape, the most durable floor tape in the world. 7 times thicker than average floor tape. Beveled to endure pounding warehouse traffic. And backed with a super strong peel and stick adhesive, so you'll never have to worry about painting shop floors again. Mighty Line floor tape, the only durable stripe.